Hello everyone, my name is Yu Tongqiu. In my presentation today, I will discuss how do the next 5 years look for the midstream industry. Companies in the oil and gas industry are usually divided into one of three groups: upstream, downstream, and midstream. The midstream is mainly responsible for transportation and storage between oil fields and refineries. In 2020, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, low demand, oil prices were in Saudi Arabia and Russia's. International oil prices were at history lows. Enormous oil and gas companies in giant oil countries have cut investment spending and laid off significantly. Many enterprises are facing bankruptcies and restructures. As a result, the upstream E&P companies add platforms and shut the wheels, affecting the revenues and viability of midstream acquisitions, storage, and transportation partners. So, what difficulties are the midstream industries are facing? In the first half of 2020, due to the failures of OPEC Plus negotiations, competitions between Saudi Arabia and Russia has led to a flood of supply. According to the Reuters, although the leasing costs increased by 50% to 100% with the scrambles of oil companies and traders for acquisitions, the demand for oil storage increased sharply, sparking unwanted crude oil and refined products. As the epidemic continued to depress the global demand and North American productions, producers have shut down wheels, delayed project executions, and substantially reduced investment. The pipeline project has been postponed or suspended indefinitely. According to the Moody Investors Service report, outlook for global midstream energy sectors revised to negative for the first time. Although the midstream industry will be affected by COVID-19 crisis in 2020, it will become the most critical industry change period, with both challenge and opportunities. Best-in-class midstream company has made the needed adjustment to a lower for longer energy price environment and are holding up well. Kinder Morgan's, the first midstream North American company, confirms that it has passed the midstream stress test so far at the beginning of 2020. Even after a 25% increase in dividend is enough to increase the distributable cash flows by 6%, and the company has cut its net debt by $2.2 million. Other companies such as EPD and MMP has also achieved good results. They increased the dividends and repay debt by reducing costs and improving cash flows, which shows that they still have considerable financial strength and operational strength. As shown in the figures, EIA predicts that world liquid fuel productions and consumptions will increase in 2021. The world's oil production capacity is expected to rise by 5.9 million barrels per day by 2025. This will bring more opportunities to the midstream industry. As shown in these figures, the annual change of crude oil pipeline miles is great, and the growing is faster. It is expected that the demand for pipeline service will increase in the next few years due to the factors such as oil and gas projects, which may promote the development of midstream market in the forecast periods. And the recent promotions of LNG demand also makes the midstream market see an encouraging trend. Also, Biden's elections will affect the future's oil industries. The government supports low-carbon environmental protections. Although the oil and gas companies face the transitions to renewable energy, KMI say they extensive pipeline infrastructures could also play an important role in the reducing of global carbon emissions, and the companies could transport products such as hydrogen or biofuel. In the next 5 years, the transformation of oil and gas industries to renewable energy is the future chance. The pipeline can deliver green hydrogen to storage facilities to go for exports to overseas markets, or clean fuel to market centers on the northeast or west coast via interstate pipelines. As more and more attention is paid to the increasing demand for midstream operations, we realize that technology and digitalization are urged. Facing the challenge, midstream enterprises are seeking innovation strategy to improve competitiveness, increase productivities, and reduce unit costs. According to Deloitte, the figure shows that the oil and gas industry is obviously inexperienced and emerges in digital technology. I will advocate midstream enterprises to carry out digital industry transformation and upgrading, transform real-time data into equipment-level operable information, and promote digital solutions. Use technology to simplify the operation, master the operation situation of upstream and downstream, help midstream enterprises master all historical pipeline data, predict and analyze the maintenance, operation change, or replacement of assets. It can help fully improve the productivity and efficiency of midstream industry enterprises, getting the real value from the digitalization process of traditional and new assets. That's it. Thank you. And this is my reference.